everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here with you. You are going to love the things that I found. You may have seen a lot of these already, but some of them I have specific purpose for, so I can't wait to share that with you. And let's just jump in. And don't forget, there is a new September giveaway on my channel, so check out that video. It's linked below for you, especially for you. Okay. All right, so I know that most of you know that they have amazing gift bags at DollarTree, and it's hard to miss those. And I did pick up some because all the ones I have are Christmas. I don't know why that is. But anyway, so I did pick up this set of 3. These could be embellished quite a bit easily, and $1.25, can't beat the price. I picked up this one. It's so cute. On this side, it's glittery, and on this side, it's, you know, not. And of course, you have your polka dots on the sides and inside. So cute. And then this one also is just so happy. It's such a good birthday little little birthday bag, and I love it. So got those ready to go with that for the next birthday. Then, as you know, I do pick up things for our kids' church, so I'll show you those, and then I will show you the other things that I picked up. All right, so one more gift bag. I forgot they had folded it, so I didn't see it, but it's so pretty and gorgeous. And so this one is the larger size, and I still am amazed that you can get it for that price. So $1.25. So as you know, I'm on the design team with Creating with Jovi, and she invited me to be a part of a collab that includes her, Jovi, Bex from Black Whisper Crafts, and Scrapbooks and Memories, Jennifer. And all this month, there's 21 different collaborators that are going to be just using their creativity and inspiration for you to create something from her Gothic Gals set. So I am going purple with this one, and I found some things at DollarTree that I'm going to use, and I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to make yet, but it's going to be more than one part, at least 2, I think. So anyway, I'm excited about it. It's going to be, in my mind, it's beautiful. I haven't made it yet, so we'll see. But anyway, so that little prompt is leading into some of the things that I picked up, and we'll see if I use them. So at DollarTree, they had these really pretty lacy placemats. Well, it's a table runner, and I thought it was placemats. But anyway, it doesn't really matter because it's so pretty, and I'm going to use that for part of I'm not going to tell you. Anyway, I got some purple flowers. I did get some green ones. I kind of like that muted green color. Another set of purple flowers. And then I did get this kind of a cream colored leaves. I'm not sure if I'm going to use them or not, but I might. And then they had these clips, roses, and they're very, very pretty and shiny and glittery. They're called rose clips. Then, let's see, what else did I get? I got some netting. I got that black netting. I got some deco mesh purple. We'll see if I use all this. I'm not sure, but I wanted to have it on hand. Got the black deco mesh. And then I got some black tulle that has some kind of shiny, glittery looking in there. I also found some potpourri that has purple in it, so that will be great for what I want to do. They had also some of the roses and white, which is okay. I might go there. They had some ceramic coat metallic purple paint. They also had the ceramic coat, I don't know, this one, glitter, and this one is purple. So you can see it's going to be, oh my God. In my head, it's amazing. Okay. So anyway, all of this part of what I'm planning to do. So I'm going to set this aside. Also, I went to Walmart and I did pick up a fabric quarter for the journal part of what I'm making. And that is going to be perfect because I didn't have black. I have different things. All right. So what else did I get at Dollar Tree? So excited to start that. All right. So I did pick up some candy for kids' church. They have their little, I need this right now. Oh, I should have got me one. Really? Is it going to get cool? I just want to know. Is it going to get too cool? I don't want to. But it works. The fan is perfect. By the way, I really might get me one because, ooh, it just feels good. Are you hot? I'll share. Anyway, these are going to be prizes. I do have a bubble fun kit. I was excited because it included the bubbles. All right. And yes, I do spoil them quite a lot. All right, the dart game with they're not pointy darts. They're rubber-ended darts. Oh, here's the other paint that I got. I got an orange glitter ceramic coat. Okay, somebody will correct me, I'm sure. And I got some party favors. These are little syringes, and I was looking for some, not for a party, but because I needed a syringe for something. And so went ahead and picked them up because you just don't find them all year. Some ear headphones, blue ones. I found some stamps, and these fun stickers I think might go good with what I'm planning. So let me show you these stamps because I don't have these. You get 21 pieces with this set. I'm trying so the light doesn't get you, but it's really cool. These are really pretty. I might have one like that. And then this one, I love it's kind of hard to see. Got light going on here. And then this one, went ahead and picked up too with the watering can, the sunflower. Maybe I do have it. I don't know. Anyway, pick those up. I got some candy for the kids. More candy. They probably need more candy. Some Reese's Sour Patch Kids. Also, I use the bubble bath because I like to take a bubble bath and drink mix. So do pick those up. And the last couple things I got, this one of the recipes, I have 3 in my kitchen already, put them up, but I didn't have the cinnamon sugar cookies, so I picked this one up. The other ones I had were apple pie, pumpkin pie, and I have one other. They're all kind of fall, so anyway, I picked that. And then I picked up these wallpaper peel and stick sheets. You can replace them and pull them up, and I thought this was pretty, so I picked that. Anyway, all right, so that's my haul. What's your favorite? I know you can't wait to find out about what I'm doing, and I really want to work on it, so I'm hoping to get all my Christmas planners done and do it Monday. We'll see. I may be able to work on it tomorrow. I can't wait. My day is September 4th, so it's coming like really fast. All right, what's your favorite? I think my favorite is anything purple. And thanks so much for watching.